Media trial is a critical issue that has been shaping public opinion and justice systems worldwide. We'll start with a brief history of media trials and then focus on recent events in Pakistan. The genesis of media trials, where the media prematurely declares individuals guilty before a court verdict, can be traced to the 20th century. While the term itself emerged more recently, its roots delve into specific cases and societal shifts over time. One early landmark event in the history of media trials occurred in 1921 during the case of Roscoe "Fatty" Arbuckle. A celebrated silent film actor, Arbuckle faced manslaughter accusations in the death of actress Virginia Rappe. The media coverage surrounding the trial was sensationalized, shaping public opinion against Arbuckle before the court reached a verdict. Despite being acquitted, Arbuckle's reputation suffered irreparable damage, setting a precedent for the media's influence on legal proceedings. As the 20th century progressed, the rise of mass communication technologies, including newspapers and radio, accelerated the trend of media trials. High-profile criminal cases captured public attention, with sensationalism often overshadowing impartial reporting. The O.J. Simpson trial in the 1990s is a notable example, where extensive media coverage significantly impacted public perception. The late 20th and early 21st centuries witnessed the emergence of 24-hour news channels, the internet, and social media, intensifying the phenomenon of media trials. The competitive nature of news outlets, coupled with the rapid dissemination of information online, led to the prioritization of sensational narratives over factual reporting. Traditional journalistic boundaries blurred as news became intertwined with entertainment. In recent years, Pakistan has witnessed a concerning rise in media trials, marking a significant challenge to the principles of free speech and fair journalism. Notable cases involving journalists and government critics shed light on the complex dynamics between the media and the state. Talat Hussain, a prominent Pakistani journalist, faced censorship for his critical stance towards the military and the government led by Prime Minister Imran Khan. His commentary on issues such as alleged election rigging and the military's involvement in governance was met with resistance, leading to the censorship of his programs. The pressure eventually prompted his departure from GOTV, illustrating the constraints faced by journalists who dare to question the status quo. Absar Alam, a television journalist known for his criticism of the government, experienced a disturbing incident when an unidentified assailant shot and wounded him outside his residence. Subsequently, Alam faced charges of sedition and high treason for supposedly using derogatory language about the government on social media. This incident is part of a broader pattern of violence and intimidation against journalists in Pakistan, creating a chilling effect on freedom of expression. Journalists in Pakistan find themselves working in an increasingly authoritarian environment, encountering not only censorship but also physical threats. Cases like the shooting of Absar Alam exemplify the risks journalists face when expressing dissenting views. The broader pattern of violence against media professionals raises questions about the safety and security of those working in the industry. The cumulative effect of media trials, censorship, and violence against journalists poses a significant threat to press freedom in Pakistan. A vibrant and independent media is crucial for the functioning of a democratic society, and when journalists face intimidation or censorship, the public's right to information is compromised. In conclusion, the challenges faced by the media in Pakistan underscore the need for ongoing dialogue and advocacy to protect the fundamental principles of free speech and press freedom. Balancing the accountability of the media with the preservation of its independence is a delicate task that requires careful consideration and commitment to democratic values.